Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Bloom on Axiom. First, navigate to the Effects panel within your Axiom project. Look for the Post-Processing section and enable the Bloom effect. You will typically find a toggle switch or a checkbox to activate it. Start with a low intensity setting, perhaps around 0.1, to introduce a subtle, soft glow to your scene. This initial step lays the groundwork for enhancing your visuals. Once Bloom is active, you will want to fine-tune its core parameters. The intensity slider dictates how bright the glow appears. A value between 0.5 and 1.5 is often a good starting point. Next, adjust the threshold to specify which bright areas will emit bloom. A lower threshold means more areas glow. Finally, the radius or spread setting controls how far the glow extends from its source, typically ranging from 0 to 1. For more creative control, explore advanced bloom options. Many Axiom versions allow you to tint the bloom color, adding a warm or cool hue to the glow. Consider using masks or layers to apply bloom only to specific objects or regions, preventing unwanted overexposure elsewhere. Remember to balance visual quality with performance. Excessively high settings can impact frame rates, so aim for a sweet spot, perhaps a radius of 0.5. To achieve the best results, remember that less is often more with Bloom. Overuse can make your scene appear washed out or unrealistic. Always test your Bloom settings on different monitors and devices to ensure consistent visual quality across various viewing environments. Finally, experiment with combining Bloom with other post-processing effects, such as depth of field or color grading, to create truly stunning and immersive visual experiences within your Axiom projects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.